I am Veronica Marques. I am Manager of Communication and Marketing from Elas, Fundo de Investimento Social. Elas has 12 years. We were founded by a group of feminists, and the mission was to support the women movement in Brazil. The biggest impact that we have in the life of a woman is saying to this woman, you know, we believe in your project. We believe that you are going to do the best for women and girls in your community. I have 10 years at Elas, so I think that one project that marked my heart the most was the first one that I know, was Bordadeiras da Coroa, which is a group here in Rio. They do some sewing and designing clothes to help women to deal with violence. So they are not only teaching some business, but they are helping the women in their community. For me, I think that everybody has a piece, can give a piece in this movement. I think that you and me and everybody that are seeing this video can do something for women's rights. And we have to do it right now, because this is how we can change. But as a young feminist, I decided that the most I can give to this movement is my knowledge in communication and marketing. And I think that's what we have to do as a community. We have to choose one thing. Pick just one thing that you think that you can give to this movement and change it, this movement, with this knowledge. Because when you are changing this movement, you are not changing only my life and your life. You are changing the life of your sister, of your mother, of your daughter.